Hi, I'm 𝗀𝗲𝗍𝗲. I'm currently a master student at University Science Malaysia. Coding is fun because it can make people to get together and make their interesting ideas come true. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple aquarium animation with Scratch. Okay, let's start with creating a new Scratch project. Okay, this is what you will get after you select to create a new project. So first thing, we have to remove this default sprite first. Okay, let's start with setting up the background of the aquarium. Okay, to change the background of the animation, you have to go to your right hand side. Down here, you will see choose a backdrop. Click on it. Okay. For aquarium, we will need a underwater background. So just tap here, underwater. Okay, let us see. Okay, there are two options here, so I will pick this one because I like it. Okay, here is our background for the aquarium. So now in the aquarium we have some fish, right? So we will set up a new sprite called fish. So how to add a sprite? Go to down here, choose a sprite. We look for fish. Okay, I like this one. Okay, tada! We got a Nemo here. Okay, so you can name this sprite as Nemo. Okay, so if you want to adjust the size of the fish, just select the sprite and then go to costumes. You can, and then select all. You can make it smaller or larger. Okay, I want it to be larger. Okay, this is the Nemo I like. Then now we go back to the code. Okay, I want to make the Nemo to swim inside my aquarium. How can I do that? You can go to the motion and then select this, move 10 steps. Okay, let's try to click on it. What will happen? Okay, every time when I click on this, the Nemo will move 10 steps. Okay, how about I want the Nemo to like move forever? I can go to the control and use forever. Okay, let's click on this green flag and see. Oh, okay, it's not moving. So we have to add this one when green flag is clicked. Okay, and then we click the green flag again. Yeah, the Nemo is moving until the end of the aquarium. How about I want it to swim back when it comes to the edge? I can go to the motion again and then look for if on edge bounce. Let's put it before the move. Okay, now you see the Nemo is start swimming from one end to the another end of the aquarium. Okay, but the swimming movement is a bit weird because it is upside down. So we can control the rotation of the sprite by click on this and then go to the direction here. Select it. We can set it to restrict the movement to left and right only. See? Now the Nemo is moving from the direction from left to right, right to left. Okay? Okay, so if you want to make it look more interesting, you can add this in. You see, the fish is circulating. Okay, but it's not fun. It's not good looking. So let's take out this. Just do this. Okay. Okay, let's remove this one. Okay, now you have a swimming 𝗲𝗲 now. So if you want it to get more fun, you can put this, go to random position before it start moving. Okay, this is for the first part. If you find out that one fish is too lonely, you can add another fish, but duplicate this 𝗲𝗲, so you get a second 𝗲𝗲, but it's not moving. Okay, it's okay. Maybe you don't want another 𝗲𝗲, you want another kind of fish. You can click on this and then go to the costume again, and then you can select the fish you like. Okay, I want this, I like the blue fish, and then I want to make it bigger, like bigger than the 𝗲𝗲. Okay, oh, it's a bit too big. Okay, it's okay. Okay, now let's go back to the code again. Okay, so this big blue fish, or I will call it blue. Okay, this blue have the same code with the 𝗲𝗲, so we want to change it a bit so it can swim or like more different with the 𝗲𝗲. We can make it as slower to step 3. Okay, so stop, start again. Okay, now you will see the bigger fish is moving slower than the smaller fish. Alright, thanks for watching the tutorial video. I am a code sister. I can code, so can you.